Is Siri being a silent treatment artist on your iPhone, leaving you without your intelligent assistant? Today, we're diving into troubleshooting steps to get your digital helper back on track and restore full functionality to your device. First things first, let's check your Siri settings. Go to your iPhone settings application, scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Ensure that Listen for Hey Siri is toggled on if it's already on. Try toggling it off then back on again to refresh the setting. Also, make sure press side button for Siri is enabled. This allows you to activate Siri by pressing the side button. Siri needs an internet connection to work properly. Verify that your iPhone is connected to either Wi-Fi or cellular data. A simple toggle of airplane mode can often resolve connectivity glitches. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to open Control Center, then tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Wait a few seconds, and then turn it off again. Sometimes, a misbehaving app can interfere with Siri. Try force quitting all open applications by swiping up from the bottom of your screen, then swiping each app card upwards to dismiss it. A classic fix for many iPhone problems is a simple restart. Power off your iPhone completely, wait for about 30 seconds, and then power it back on. If Siri is still stubborn, let's check for any pending software updates. Go to Settings, then tap General. Then tap Software Update. Install any available updates, as these often include bug fixes for system features like Siri. With these steps, your intelligent assistant should be back in action, ready to help you with tasks and queries. If this guide helped you restore your iPhone's full functionality, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tips.